This your boy Mythical, about to get straight lyrical. Straight off the top of my head, I let them words graze. To think you can handle me, you must be a fool. I don't even spit at this rap game, I fucking drool. I got polo on my feet, got the Mac under my seat. Pussy ass bitches need to fucking remember, life don't come with a receipt. I'm a lion in the rough, you kids are just zebras in the bluff. Come straight gunning you, don't expect that burner to be forgiving you. I'm on my rap shit and I'ma stay true. On these easy beats with the whole fucking crew. This is me, not you, so it's critical you listen, because I'm about to start dissing. You think I'm scared of a punk with a gun? I have a better chance of fucking Megan Fox and not come. Nah, they can't even hold me, I can't be moved, never got rocked. Go ahead with that big head and try to come up in my spot. Got that sawed off shawty, got a real bad temper, quick to snap off, have your body cold as the winter. It's theoretical, I don't even know why I waste my time with this rap shit. I keep doing it, and still ain't nobody can handle it. I got 4 rhymes to your 1 noun. Spit 1 word, now it's too late, I already planted my flag in the ground. I'm more bitter than a Windy City. Got some complaints with me? Take it up with the goons on my committee. Me and Rocket, be up in the lab, mixing all these lyrical chemicals. So fucking hot on a beat, y'all gonna see. Might as well throw some fucking water on me. What am I doing? I go so hard on these fucking club bangers. Chew them up and spit them out like they babies in a manger. Dropped off from another fucking planet. Not my fault, I got lost in transit. I'ma do my fucking thing till they come for me. I still been waiting, so fucking nasty on life like I'm skating. Come to me, I ain't about that life shit. Contemplating life, I ain't even about that shit. It's just a cycle, my friend, and mine's on spin. Let me lose it before my cycle in. Waiting on death and ain't seen the Reaper yet. What else do I gotta do to say fucking shit? You know what I'm saying? Do I need to go out, kidnap a few kids, get real crazy just to show you I'm fucking nuts? I have no right to live, somebody please kill me. That's right, that's a task nobody's yet to give me. On this Mozart beat, it's so fucking slow, hurry. Somebody grab the beat and feed me. I'm straight cannibal, this track is not enough to feed me. I need beats now, please give me a treat. Ain't nothing you can't tell me. I stay confident, I do this for free. When it comes to beating up a track, you can call me Bruce Lee.